In this problem, we want to find the domain of f of x equals to square root of 1 minus x squared divided by 2x squared minus x minus 1. To find the domain, first of all, we notice that there are two limitations for a domain. First of all, the square root. In the square root, we have to make sure that 1 minus x squared is greater than or equal to 0 for there to be a real solution. X squared needs to be less than or equal to 1. So we can get negative 1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Now we also need to make sure that the divisor 2x squared minus x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So we can apply the quadratic formula to get x is not equal to 1 and x is not equal to negative 1/2. So the final domain of this would then be, since we have negative 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. But first of all, we notice that it has to be x is less than 1 because we can't have x equal to 1. And also we have a negative 1/2 though. So to represent this in interval notation, it will be negative 1. We have a bracket here because that signifies the less than or equal to, the greater than or equal to. And then negative 1/2. We have parentheses here because it cannot equal to 1/2. And we also have negative 1/2 parentheses, then 1 parentheses because it cannot equal to 1. And then to link these two together, we can use the union symbol, which is a uppercase U. So that's the range of f of x. That's the domain of f of x.